Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inventor 247. Today, I'm going to reveal a very interesting secret using an old computer cooling fan. Let's check it out. First, I test the fan with a power source and see that it's still working normally. Next, I use hot glue to attach a 12mm hex nut onto one of the fan blades to create vibration when it spins. When I test it again, the fan still runs fine, but it produces a louder noise due to the imbalance, and that's exactly what I need. Next, I prepare a thin wooden board, measure and mark the 4 mounting holes to match the fan, then drill those holes. After that, I use 5mm bolts to securely fix the fan onto the wooden board. The next secret is small springs. I take them from old ballpoint pens. Then, I install these 4 springs onto the bolts to create flexibility and vibration for the system. After that, I use a PVC pipe with a diameter of 42mm, measure and cut a 12mm long section. I then cut the pipe open and use a heat gun to soften it, flattening it with a flat piece of wood. Once it cools down, I get a flat square plastic sheet. Next, I measure and drill 4 holes in the plastic sheet to match the fan's mounting positions. Then use 5mm bolts to secure the sheet onto the fan. Once everything is assembled into a single unit, I carefully combine the 2 sections. The springs are positioned precisely between the connections to enhance vibration. I also add hot glue to make the entire structure more secure. Finally, I attach a small plastic container on top of the plastic sheet. Now, let's see the result. I pour dry sand into the container. Then add a few rusty hex nuts and spark plugs. After connecting the power, something amazing happens. The strong vibration from the fan causes continuous friction and impact between the rusty objects and the sand. After some time, when I take them out, they are noticeably cleaner. What do you think about this idea? Don't forget to subscribe to discover more useful DIY and restoration methods. Good luck!